There is a small part in the car that many people do not know its importance, but once it starts to corrode or burn, it can make changing gears very difficult and make the car move with difficulty, and you can smell the smell of fire coming out of the car. And in some cases, the car may not move at all. But is the problem really with the clutch disc, or from the calamity of the clutch, not from the pressure plate? Not from the clutch box? How do you differentiate between them before you change any part and incur unnecessary costs? Let us understand the topic from the beginning. In this episode, we will learn about one of the most common malfunctions that owners of manual cars encounter, which is damage to the clutch disc. We will know its function and how it works, and why it is damaged, and the most important signs that say it is almost finished, and also how to diagnose the malfunction correctly before you start changing any part. The clutch disc is an essential part of the transmission system in manual cars. Its function is to transfer the engine torque to the gearbox in a smooth manner. At the same time, it allows the movement between the engine and the gearbox to be separated by simply pressing the clutch pedal. This is what allows you to change gears easily without hearing the sound of gears or getting strong friction inside the gearbox. The clutch disc is located between the flywheel and the pressure plate. The way it works is very simple. When you lift your foot off the clutch pedal, the pressure plate presses on the disc and it begins to transfer engine power to the gear. When you step on the clutch pedal, the pressure plate separates the pressure from the disc, so it can transfer to any gear easily. But with continuous use, violent driving, loading the car with heavy weights, or using half of the clutch for long periods, the clutch disc begins to wear out gradually. As this happens, a group of signs will begin to appear. The first sign you may notice is a burning smell. This is one of the most common signs of damage to the clutch disc. This often appears after walking in the car, especially in traffic or when you get out of the car. You will smell a clear burning smell. The reason is that the friction material on the disc starts to slip away instead of holding it well. This generates very high heat. As the sliding continues, the temperature increases even more, and this can harm the rest of the components of the clutch assembly. If the problem persists without repair, the disc may reach the point where it will not move at all, and at that time, the car will not move at all. The second sign is that changing gears begins to be difficult. You try to engage the first gear, the rear gear, or any other gear, and you feel that it is entering with difficulty or requires effort. This is because the disc no longer separates the movement between the engine and the gearbox in the desired manner. The gears preferably have to hold whenever you try to change gears, and this makes changing gears difficult. If you continue to use the car in this way, corrosion may occur within the gearbox itself over time. The third sign is that the clutch pedal remains abnormally light. If you are accustomed to the pedal having a certain resistance and suddenly it starts to come down very easily, then you must start diagnosing the cause. It's true that the problem may be from the clutch assembly, but it may also be that there is air inside the hydraulic clutch circuit or a problem in the master or sub-cylinder. For this reason, you cannot rely on one symptom and determine that the disc is the cause. The entire system must be diagnosed. The fourth sign is that the clutch pedal remains heavy, so you feel that you need to press it harder than normal. And at first, you might think the issue is simple, but with time, the problem increases, and then the cause may be in the clutch disc, the clutch ball, the pressure plate, or even a problem in the mechanism of operating the clutch. And that is why the correct diagnosis is very important. The fifth sign is hearing a grinding or rubbing sound when pressing the clutch pedal. This sound is sometimes due to damage to the clutch plate. Sometimes it is due to a problem with the pressure plate. In some cases, it is caused by wear on the flywheel teeth or parts inside the gear. Therefore, just hearing the sound does not mean that you change the clutch disc directly. You must know the real source of the sound. The sixth sign is that the clutch pedal prefers to go down and does not return to its place. This is one of the signs that you cannot ignore, because it is often a sign of a problem in the clutch disengagement system, whether in the disc, the clutch ball, the pressure plate, or the hydraulic operating system. In this case, it is preferable not to drive the car before you know the reason, because continuing to drive can cause greater damage. Okay, What are the reasons that cause the clutch disc to deteriorate quickly? The first reason for relying on half a clutch while driving, and this is one of the most common mistakes, is because the disc remains in a state of constant friction, so its temperature increases significantly. The second reason for constantly overloading the car is because a large load requires more force to transmit the movement, and this increases the pressure on the disc. The third reason is frequent violent start or sudden acceleration. This makes the friction material wear out quickly. The fourth reason for neglecting to fix any minor problem in the clutch system, because over time, a small malfunction turns into complete damage to the clutch. If you ignore these signs, you may reach the point where the car will not move at all, or you will need to change the entire clutch assembly, and this will be at a higher cost than repairing the problem at its beginning. If you want to be sure that the problem is really with the clutch disc, then you must examine the entire system: the pressure plate, the clutch bearing, the flywheel, and the clutch operating system, because many of the symptoms are similar, and changing a healthy part will save you the cost without solving the problem. In the end, the clutch disc is one of the most important parts of the transmission system in a manual car. Any sign like difficulty changing gears, a burning smell, a change in the feel of the clutch pedal, or abnormal sounds should make you start the diagnosis quickly, because fixing the problem at its beginning is always more economical and easier than waiting for more damage to occur. If you benefited from the episode, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell, and write me in the comments what was the most popular show you had before you discovered that the clutch disc was damaged. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for a new episode.